two things that most people don't use, but you can create the most eye-popping PDFs to use in your presentations and your programs. And Jill, you are a master at the PowerPoint PDFs, so talk about that first.
Absolute game changer.
Welcome to Reframe Your Biz with Jill Bunny and Kristen Crowley, two women in wellness and fitness here to help entrepreneurs save thousands with tips and tricks on social media, PR, and more. We help you reframe your biz and grow your brand. Make sure you sign up for our membership and get ready to reframe.
All right, welcome back. It is On with J and K, and we are back to bring you tips to help you reframe your biz and grow your brand. So today we are talking about a little datey date between Canva and PowerPoint, because two things that most people don't use, but you can create the most eye-popping PDFs to use in your presentations and your programs. And Jill, you are a master at the PowerPoint PDFs, so talk about that first.
Absolute game changer when it comes to having a business and you want to have downloads for your customers. The worst thing that you can do is give a document from Word while you open it up and everything's all skewed. So a PDF, when you're able to save it as such, it stays exactly the font and format that you've given it to them. There's nothing worse than opening it up and everything's jumbled. So by using PowerPoint, it's not just for PowerPoint presentations back in school. You can do PDFs in landscape, in horizontal, vertical, and you can also do readable forms. So by using your PowerPoint, very simple, we do show you how to in greater detail in our monthly membership, but literally you can YouTube this stuff, very simple. I'm not a tech expert, but I know how to use PowerPoint. And the easiest thing after, screenshot it, and then you can pull it up and put it into Canva, which the queen bee over here knows how to make marketing look beautiful and the PowerPoints that I create.
Yeah, so, and Jill's tip, by screenshotting it, a photo will never alter format. So if you want it to stay the same, screenshot it versus downloading it, because there's no chance that it will change, and it will save you so much of a headache when you get those forms and you get to download it and then you go to print it and you're like half of your sentences over here and your lines are over here. It's because sometimes they do change when they're being downloaded. The formats will change if the font's not correct or it's not recognized in another program. So that saves you a ton of trouble right there. So make sure you use that tip. But the other one is, once you get to Canva, that's where you make it pop. So you make this document that's just boring, normal. I mean, you want the vanilla bread and butter, just basic documents, but that you take it to Canva, you throw your logo on it, you throw a couple splashy colors on it, and within 5 minutes, you have a beautiful presentation that is totally customized, but will not change format, will not screw you up when you go live. And then you can repurpose that image and take those PDFs and make them into little images to market your programs on Instagram, in Instagram stories, and on Facebook. So that gives you more of an eye-catching appeal than just doing some boring presentation programs and then using that as an Instagram or social media post. Because we all know, I mean, the attention is in the details and how much it looks pretty on Instagram.
And with Canva now too, if you screenshot, I know some of you guys might say, I screenshot it, but then I have this like white background on this photo and then it looks terrible and I can't change the background. You can. Canva has a little button. If you pay $10 a month, so you have a little bit of the premium, you can get rid of the background so that you just have exactly what you want. And it literally looks like you are a 5-star graphic designer.
Yeah, so Canva is one of our favorite tools to use for business. It is one thing that we pay for because it is totally worth it. But you can create those PDFs for free and then upload them, and then you have zero chance of mistakes or mishaps when you're going live with your programs and presentations. So we hope you enjoyed that little tippy tip there from It's Live with the J and K, and we will see you next time. If you have any questions, comment below so we can answer those. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And always, if you want to, jump into our Reframe Your Biz monthly membership program. It's only $1 a day, and we help you with things like this every single week. So we hope you join us, and we'll see you next time.
We hope you found that helpful. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and join our monthly membership to reframe your biz.